India is my country.
India is my country.
All Indians, sir.
All Indians, sir.
My brothers and sisters.
My brothers and sisters.
I love my country.
I love my country.
And I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always try to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity. A long life, my happiness. Jai Hind. Today's news bulletin is brought to you by SRVNs of Grade-VII Topaz. I am Siranala, here to tell international and national news. International news. FBI raids elections officer Georgia's Falcon country. National news. Baramati plane crash probe being conducted on timeline-based approach. Union Minister. Thank you. Hey everyone, I am M.R. Sardhan Reddy of Grade-VII Topaz. Brought you today's state and sport news. State news. CM Revanth Reddy leads to municipal poll campaigns from February 3. Sport news. Italy makes its first appearance in T20 Men's World Cup. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Hey everyone, today's weather report is brought to you by Trikanta from Grade-VII Topaz. Maximum temperature 32 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 19 degrees Celsius, humidity 42%, precipitation 0%, wind speed 14 km per hour, mostly sunny. Thank you. That's the end of today's news bulletin.
And today's thought is brought to you by Mohammed Nihal of Grade-VII Topaz. Third, there may be people that have more talent than you, but there is no excuse for anyone to work harder than you do. I repeat it again. There may be people that have more talent than you, but there is no excuse for anyone to work harder than you. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today's what is brought to you by K. Mohan of Grade-VII Topaz. What? Sportsmanship. It's fair or generous behavior or treatment to other sports contests. I repeat it once again. Sportsmanship. It means fair or generous behavior or treatment to other sports contests. Friends, please spell after me. Sportsmanship. SPO. RT. MAN. SH. IP. Sportsmanship. For example, the ability to be a good winner, not bragging, and good winner, not excuse or not blaming others. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, today's GK questions are brought to you by V. Vishal Naidu of Grade-VII Topaz. Question for Grade-VII. Who is the fastest player to score 28,000 runs in international cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Virat Kohli. Let us appreciate them. Question for Grade 8. Who is the first player to score 10,000 runs in history of Test cricket?
Sachin.
I repeat it again. Who is the first player to score 10,000 runs in history of cricket? Sorry, you picked the wrong answer, and the answer is Sunil Gavaskar. Question for Grade 9. Who is the highest wicket taker in the history of Test cricket? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is Muttai Muralidharan. Let us appreciate them. Open questions for all. Did how many wickets Muttai Muralidharan takes in? 800. Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is 800. Let us appreciate them. Question number 2. Who won the first ODI World Cup? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is West Indies. Let's appreciate them. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, this is Amulya of Grade-VII Topaz. Today I am going to talk about PV Sindhu, one of India's most talented and inspiring sports personalities. Pusarla Venkata Sindhu, popularly known as PV Sindhu, is a world-class badminton player. She has made India by winning medals at the Olympic Games, World Championships and many international tournaments. In 2016, she won the silver medal at the Rio Olympics, and in 2020, she secured the bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics. In 2019, she became the first Indian woman to win the World Championship in badminton. What makes Sindhu special is not just her amazing talent but also her dedication, hard work and determination. Thank you and have a good day. Happy morning everyone. I am P. Durga and here is my friend Purika. Today we are going to do conversation. Hi Purika, do you know our school is going to conduct sports meet on February 8th? Wow, that sounds exciting. Where will it be held? Don't you know our school have a bigger playground? Oh, are all students taking a part in the sports meet? Yes, many students are participating in different events. Which event are you participating in? I am participating in 200-meter race. Have you started practicing for it? Yes, I practice every morning with the help of my PT teachers. Oh, you practice with your PE teachers? Yes, we are blessed with 5 PT teachers who train us in every sport. By the way, who is our chief guest on February 8th? Our school director sir he'll be the chief guest on February 8th. Will there be prizes for the winners? Yes, winner gets medals and certificates. That is awesome. I wish you all the best. Thank you and I hope this sports meet will be the successful event. Thank you, Shining of 7 Topaz.